Hello and Tashi Delek. My name is Jampa Dorjee and I'm here to tell you about the Brahmaputra river. The Brahmaputra is one of the major rivers of Asia, a trans-boundary river which flows through Tibet, India and Bangladesh. This river originates on the Angsi Glacier in the Purang in western Tibet, which is near Mount Kailash. When the river reaches Yalung Valley, the river is called Yalung Tsangpo. When it enters India, it is known as the Brahmaputra. Lhasa's Kichu is one of the tributaries of Yalung Tsangpo. Today, Brahmaputra is on the verge of an ecological disaster and has become a constant cause of worry for millions of people living downstream. People living downstream cannot rely on contaminated water due to mining residues flowing into the river. Series of multinational talks fail to come up with reasonable solutions for people whose lives depend on this river. Water security is basic human rights, and China's thirst for urbanization, in excessive mining and building new dams are already having an adverse impact on millions of people relying on this river, and will continue to do so until an effective solution is found. We urge governments of China, India and Bangladesh to stop unnecessary wastage of water and unsustainable urbanization. Speak up now. Speak up for water security for the future of our beloved planet. Soon the third pole, or the roof of the world, may no longer be able to support some 2 billion people who depend on these great rivers of Tibet if no action is taken to avert this continuous degradation of these rivers' fragile ecosystem. Thank you.